Hello and welcome to Free Online Tutorials. My name's Tony Clark and today we're going to go through setting up your audio device into Cubase 6. This tutorial is going to be very fast to get you going as quickly as possible. So from the screen that you can see in front of you, we go to Devices, down to Device Setup, and we go to the ASIO driver drop down. But you need to ensure that the VST audio system has been selected. So once you have selected that, go to the ASIO drop-down, select the driver that relates to your hardware. In my case it's the UA101 from Edirol, and then we click OK on that. Okay, so when we've done that, we need to go back into the Devices drop-down, and this time we're going to go to VST Connections. You can click here or use F4 on your keyboard. Now this has already picked up the Edirol, and the bus has been created, but if we just delete these for the moment, I can add a bus by clicking the Add Bus button, and we're going to have a stereo bus. And if these were shown as not connected, this is what you'd be left with. So if you click in here, you can click, these are the outputs, and I want to send the output from Cubase left channel to number 1 on my device, and on the right side I want to connect that to number 2. So that's the outputs now configured. We've got the inputs configured. We're ready to rock and roll. So if we shut that down, the next thing we want to do is to go to File, New Project. You're faced with the Project Assistant window, and for the purpose of this tutorial, click on More, click on Empty, click on Create. Got a project window in front of us. We now need to add a track. So if we go into the Projects menu, add a track, various tracks for us to create, but we're going to enter into here an audio track. And we want it to be stereo. You can see that there are other controls once we've pulled this down. What we need to now is to make sure that the in and outs are on the correct channel, which we created in the VST windows. And we had stereo in, so that's correct, and we had stereo out. Correct. And now it's time to check to see if we have a connection. So if we put the monitor on, you can see that we do have indeed a connection, and you can see that in these monitors here. We can further check by turning the monitor off, arming the track for record. Let's just bring the cursor back to the beginning and then hit the record button, and you can see that the waveforms are also being created in the track or in the event window, but we'll go into that in a bit more detail. There you are, you're connected to your hardware, and there's the first recording. If you've got any questions or you'd like some more information, just drop us a line at video@freeonlinetutorials.co.uk and we'll do what we can for you. Thanks very much.